In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to your Squarespace website. This is an essential step in establishing your online presence. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully connected domain ready to go. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate to the home menu and select the Settings option. From there, find and click on Domains, as this will take you to the area where you can manage existing domains or connect a new one. Look for the button that says Connect Domain or Use a Domain I Own, and give it a click. It's as simple as that. Next, it's time to enter your domain name. Carefully type your full domain name into the given field. Make sure to double-check for any typos, as accuracy here is crucial. Once you're certain everything looks correct, click the arrow or the Verify button to proceed with verifying your domain. This step ensures that you're ready to move forward with the connection process. Now, on to the exciting part. Choosing your connection method. Squarespace offers two primary methods to connect your domain, allowing you to select the one that best suits your needs. If your domain provider is listed as one of their integrated providers, you're in luck. This feature means that popular providers like GoDaddy may be supported through an automated setup. Squarespace will guide you through the process by requesting your login information for a smooth and hassle-free connection. This option is perfect if your provider is among the common ones, as it saves time and simplifies everything. However, if your provider does not appear on the list, don't worry, you'll just need to use the manual connection method. Click on Connect Domain and then select either Other or Use DNS Records. This approach requires a bit more manual effort, but rest assured, it's entirely manageable. You'll be prompted to enter specific DNS records into your domain registrar's settings. These pieces of information, like A records and CNAME, will be provided by Squarespace, ensuring you have everything you need to correctly configure your connection. By now, you've reached your final step, and with a little patience and attention to detail, you'll have your domain connected in no time. It's worth mentioning that changes to DNS settings might not be instantaneous. It can take some time to fully propagate across the internet. Therefore, don't worry if your new connection doesn't appear immediately. Give it some time, and soon enough, your domain will be live on Squarespace. And there you have it. Your domain is now connected to your Squarespace website. With your domain all set up, you're one step closer to launching your site into the digital world. Thanks for following along, and until next time, happy creating.